Hello, good morning, my dear students. This is Thiru sir, your English teacher. So, welcome to the online classes of Sri Eknath Rao Khadse Talent English Medium School, Muktayanagar. So, dear students, today we are going to start Unit 4. Already we have completed up to Unit 3. So, today we are going to start Unit 4. And the poem, which is very interesting, the poems, that is Once I Saw a Little Bird. It is very interesting poem, and I hope I have given for you to practice this. So you may do or not, I don't know, but today we will start this lesson very effectively, very interestingly. So here very interest will create whenever we are reciting the poems, isn't it? So here the rhythm also very interesting will come. Okay, so first of all I will recite the poems, then after you watch me and listen my voice, then after you also start the poem reciting, right? So I am just watching and I am singing, just look at me. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the windows to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. The students, it is very, very interesting. So once again we will start. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the windows to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. इसको बहुत अच्छा से पढ़ाई कर सकते, डांस भी कर सकते इसमें. Okay, so different way you can process it. It has a different angles, and you can act here and you can dance here. So I hope you understand this poem very interestingly. The poem first thing is that like you, एक छोटा बच्चा था तुम्हारे जैसा. So वो छोटा बच्चा गाना गा रहे. The small kid is singing. What he is singing? Once I saw a little bird. मैंने एक बार एक छोटा पक्षी को देखा. कम हप हप हप. वो जब आता हो तो साउंड क्रिएट होती है ना. इट विल क्रिएट सम साउंड्स. हप हप हप. Just when coming, the flapping sound will create. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? वो बोल रहा है कि I shouted, मैंने चिल्लाया उनको रुकने के लिए. मैंने बोला रुकने के लिए. Will you stop, stop? मतलब आप यहाँ पे थोड़ा रुक जाएंगे क्या? रुक जाओगी? प्लीज़ रुक जाओ. ऐसा चिल्ला के उनको बता रहा था. I was going to the windows to say, how do you do? मैं जब विंडोज पास में उनके बारे में पूछने के लिए गया था, जब गया था, जब विंडोज पास में वो पक्षी के बारे में तुम कैसे हो पूछने के लिए जब गया था, क्या हो गया? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. लेकिन इस वक्त क्या हो गया? जब उनके पास में पूछने के लिए जो बच्चा गया तो ताकि तुम कैसे हो, लेकिन वो पक्षी ने क्या हुआ? उसका टेल को ऐसा टपक 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 मार के वहाँ से उड़ गया. ठीक है. सो दिस इज द पोएम्स, and actually some students are requiring some Hindi meaning. That's why I used Hindi. So it will better for try to focus to listening the English. That is very, very important. Okay, I can speak Hindi. No, there is no issue. But it became habituated of a child that he required meanings. It should not be like that. When your kid will start English, he is in his mind this type of intensity. I mean, I need Hindi meaning. So this type of intensity should not come to your child mind. If this type of intensity won't come to your child mind, you have to do only listening. Only at least English we have to listen. We have to addict. We have to practice first of all to listen English. Then only automatically the speaking English also will develop. The reading English also will develop. Are you getting my point? If you want to remove the pin, how you will remove the pin? By using pin only, isn't it? Kanta ko kante se nikalne ke. Are you getting my point what I am saying? If you remove one pin from your paw, your leg, so what we have to use? Again, another pin you are using or not? The same process we have to use this way. If you want English, we have to be addict. Okay? So, as for my level best, I will try. Every parents want that their children must speak in English fluently and properly. But if you do in this way, definitely within the sort of period, definitely he or she will develop the readings and speaking skills. So later on, the meanings is and everything he will understand automatically. There is no issue. Okay. So I hope you understand these poems. Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot. And one more thing. After reciting the poem, make a video and send to the video to me that how many students are singing the poems properly. Okay. Thank you.